Behold, this is the other elevator at the Atlantic Sands Hotel in Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. Used to be Old Otis Alexan, I think, but modernized by Delaware. Here it comes. Yep, that's the only elevator that was modernized. Go to 4. It's a little dark. Use the old fornicator. 2, 3, 4. Yep, you were at 4. Yep, that's the only elevator that was modernized. Used to be old Otis Lexan, I think. Let's go down to the basement. Let's get our caffeine. I like this jam so much. I mean, it was I have no idea that I never took this before. Certificate's right there. Emergency phone button, and the capacity is 2,000 pounds. Bobby, you're our basement. Man, I was coming to work, man. It's cold. Basement. Bobby. And you're at lobby. Let's watch it close. That's it for me. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.